Hey, how you going, boys and girls? Hopefully you can hear me alright. I don't have my microphone on. I don't know where I've misplaced that. But yeah, long story short, I've set up a little bit of a workshop, made a heap of progress on the rough HQ, got the Fairlane behind me, which you know, the owner of that car's looking forward to seeing a lot of videos and content on that one. So I'm looking forward to doing that. And yeah, guess I'll give you guys a little bit of a look over at what I've been up to. So I'm actually still in the process of setting up. I've only been in this workshop for I think about 4 weeks, I reckon. And yeah, basically the first couple of weeks was basically setting up. Managed to get some work done on the HQ down there, which I'll give you guys a little bit of a look over. But yeah, this will be the next upcoming project. So this will be a pretty cool car. I'm not going to give away too many details on it, but obviously it's, you know, got a set of mini tubs on it. One's a 325 on the rear, so pretty cool. It'll just be a neat little streeter. Has got quite a bit of rust in it, but I mean, for one of these, it's actually not terrible. Someone has started on it already, which is why it's missing its sill panel on this side. So it's going to be fun to put that one back together. All the panels are out of alignment. This door's hardly bolted on, but we'll worry about that when we get there. It was a factory V8 car, but I don't think it will be V8 down the track. So make of that what you will. As you can see, it is missing quite a fair bit down here. It's even missing all this section as well. So luckily I do have got the original sill panel that they've taken off, and whatever part you call that, a lot of that I have to actually remake. But like I said, worry about that when we get there. This fortnight will be on this car anyway, so hopefully we'll get some good progress made on that one. Be a pretty cool car once it's all done. ZA Fairlane 500. I think it's just going to go white again. Beautiful cars though. This side isn't quite as bad, but the owner has told me that this quarter panel has been damaged at some point, so we'll dig into that one once we get the sill panel sorted out, because I think my plan for this one is going to get it a little bit more structurally sound, and I'll chuck it on the rotisserie and start stripping it, and I'll get the blasting done on it, so that'll be pretty cool. Now the rough HQ, a lot of you guys would probably remember this one. Doesn't look anything like it does now, or it did, but give me a break guys, it's early Monday morning. So I got all the reproduction panels fitted up. I'll have a video on that coming out shortly, so that'll be something interesting for you guys. As you can see, got a set of tubs in there. They're not actually fitted just yet, but all the rail work has been done. Just in the stages of getting this quarter panel finished off, so I can make the wheel tub. But yeah, that's coming along pretty nice. Cuts a pretty nice figure, I reckon. So we've got a pretty old school spray booth, but sucks like a bloody something that sucks pretty well. Let's chuck the lights on for you. That's pretty cool. If you guys know what that is, Restorer's Hotline. That used to be Rare Spares affiliated. I don't think they run that anymore. Still setting up the paint shop side of things. Basically this mess that I've got right here is from when I painted the spray booth, because that didn't look anything like it does now. Still needs a little bit more finishing off in here, but yeah, it's come up okay. At the end of the day, it's just a spray booth. As long as it was reasonably clean and all one colour. The lighting isn't the greatest in here, so it's a little bit chalky in some spots, but it'll do the job, I suppose. This is a pretty cool car, but I'm not going to show you guys too much of that one. That'll come up sooner or later on the channel. So, yeah. I do still have the Sunburst Kingswood to come up. Just got to wait for a right time for that one to come up, and then I can finish off all the prep work, mask it up and paint it. So that'll be the first job that goes through the booth. It'll be pretty cool. Looking forward to doing that. But yeah, for the moment, I'm just doing the metalwork. And yeah, not really sure what else there is really to say. It's been pretty flat out this last month, and you know, just getting everything set up and getting back into the swing of work. But yeah, hopefully I'll have some more content for you guys coming up soon. These lights are bloody bright. But yeah, looking forward to bringing you guys something else to watch, and yeah, getting a little bit more variety on the channel. I did actually bodywork a car, an old car, before I moved here, but I'm going to finish that video off when the car comes back to get painted. But at the moment the car's just getting some fab work done. It's getting chassis connectors and a cage put in it, so that'll be a pretty cool one. You guys will like that, or you won't. Depends on which side of the flag you stand on. But yeah, anyway, I'll wrap this up and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.